If you own a business generating over $1 million in revenue per year and you're thinking about selling, you need the right broker to get the best deal possible. Selling a business isn't just another transaction, it is a once-in-a-lifetime decision that impacts your financial future. The right broker can maximize your valuation, streamline the process, and connect you with serious pre-qualified buyers who understand the value of what you've built. But not all brokers are created equal. Some overpromise and underdeliver, others charge excessive fees, and many lack the experience needed to negotiate a deal that truly benefits you. That's where Wire Daily comes in. We take the guesswork out of the process by providing expert business broker reviews, in-depth comparisons, and valuable industry insights so you can choose the best broker for your specific goals. With brokers that specialize in over 17 industries and a network of 20,000 plus pre-qualified buyers, your business sale can be faster, smoother, and more profitable. To help you get started, we're offering a free business valuation guide, a must-have resource that walks you through how to find the right broker, what your business is really worth, and how to maximize your exit strategy. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment right now to grab your free guide and start your selling journey the right way. Now, let's dive into today's topic. This is Melania from Wire Daily. Let's get started.
Are you considering selling your farm business? It's a major life decision that requires a careful planning and execution. Whether you are retiring or transferring to another career or are ready to reap the rewards of years of hard work, selling a farm can be a complex process. In this video, we will guide you through the key steps to ensure a smooth and successful sale. Step 1. Evaluate and prepare your farm for sale. The value of a farm depends on several factors: land size, quality, crop yields, livestock, operations, equipment, and location. Additionally, buyers are often interested in revenue streams for the diverse activities such as agri-tourism, organic certification, or renewable energy installation like solar panels. Consult with an expert to conduct a professional valuation of a property. They will assess both tangible assets like machinery and lands as well as intangible assets like business contact and loyal customer relationships. Next, get the financial and operational record in order. Buyers will want a detailed information to understand the farm performance. Organize the following documents: profit and loss statements, tax returns for the 3 to 5 years, equipment maintenance log, and livestock production records. Transparency is critical to building trust with potential buyers. Don't forget to optimize your operation. Ensure that equipment is in working conditions and your land and infrastructure is well maintained. A farm that is turnkey, meaning ready to operate immediately, can attract a higher offers. Step 2. Identify your potential buyers. Buyers for the farm business can include farmers expanding their operation, agribusiness companies looking for specific resources, private investors interested in farmland, even developers depending on your locations. Pre-screen buyers to make sure they have experience, financing, or a long-term commitment to take over the business successfully. Step 4. Negotiate the sale. Pricing your farm competitively is essential. Work with your advisor to set a price based on the farm value and current market conditions. Overpricing can scare buyers away, while a reasonable price will attract serious buyers. The structure can vary. Some buyers may prefer asset purchases where they acquire land, equipment, and livestock separately. Others may be interested in full equity transfer, taking over the entire business entity. Step 5. Finalize the sale. During the diligence, buyer will request full access to your farm records, including financial statement, environmental permits, zoning compliance documents. Hire an attorney to draft and review all contract, including purchase agreements, lease transfers, and any non-complete causes. After finalizing the agreement, focus on the transition planning. Introduce the buyer to suppliers, local government officials, and key staff, providing guidelines during the first few months. And ownership can help the new owner retain your farm relationship to success. Let's recap the key steps to selling your farm business. Step 1. Conduct a thorough valuation and organize your records. Step 2. Identify the qualified potential buyers. Step 3. Market your firm with a strong offering memorandum. Step 4. Negotiate a deal structure that works with both parties. Step 5. Complete the due diligence and finalize the sale. Step 6. Plan a smooth ownership with transition. Finally, don't forget to plan your post-sale financial future. Consult with a tax advisor and minimize tax obligations and maximize your net proceeds. Whether you are planning to reinvest or retire, smart financial planning is a key. Need help to selling your farm? Leave a comment with questions and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.